Stephen Hawking, a legacy of brilliant theories and stark predictions. Renowned physicist Stephen Hawking, despite suffering from a debilitating condition, made significant contributions to our understanding of the universe. His resilience and brainpower were unmatched, positioning him as one of the greatest minds of our time, often compared to Albert Einstein. But Hawking's brilliance wasn't confined to theoretical physics alone. He also made some alarming predictions about the future of humanity and our planet that demand our attention. The man behind the genius. Stephen Hawking's early life and diagnosis. At the age of 21, Stephen Hawking was diagnosed with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, a rare condition generally seen in people over the age of 50. Doctors gave him a grim prognosis, stating he had nearly 2 years to live. Defying all odds, Hawking lived for another 55 years, bound to a wheelchair, and needed assistance for eating and speaking through tubes and specialized computer systems. His condition never got the better of him. Instead, he turned it into his strength. Overcoming physical limitations. Hawking's physical abilities were significantly limited, but this did not impede his intellectual prowess. Unable to speak, he used a computer to communicate, typing with a small muscle in his jaw. This remarkable adaptation showcased his unparalleled determination and the extraordinary capacity of his mind. Contributions to science. Groundbreaking theories. Hawking made seminal contributions to various fields of physics, particularly in the understanding of black holes and the nature of the universe. His theories were groundbreaking and left a lasting impact not only on scientists but also on our understanding of the cosmos. Published works. Despite his disabilities, Hawking authored 8 influential books. These works elucidated complex concepts in physics for the general public, making his genius accessible and inspiring countless individuals to delve into scientific exploration. Hawking's dark predictions on the future of humanity. While known for his theories, Hawking's predictions about the future were equally significant. His forecasts painted a troubling picture of the potential existential threats facing humanity. The threat of genetically modified vaccines. In 2016, Hawking raised concerns about genetically modified vaccines. He acknowledged their short-term benefits in protecting against deadly viruses but warned of potential long-term consequences. He stressed that the DNA modifications involved in creating these vaccines could eventually pose a risk of human extinction. The coming of aliens. Hawking also speculated about the existence of extraterrestrial life. He posited that life is present beyond Earth and one day, aliens might visit our planet. Stemming from the concept of multiple Big Bangs leading to parallel universes, he argued that aliens might study us and slowly capture our planet. Final research paper. Just 2 weeks before his death in 2018, Hawking published his final research paper, A Smooth Exit from Eternal Inflation. In this paper, he supported the idea of multiple universes and contended that our universe, having been created by a Big Bang, would one day stop expanding and succumb to eternal darkness. As the stars died, he predicted this would signal the end of our universe. Technological advancements and their consequences. Fear of advanced robots. Hawking warned against the unchecked advancement of artificial intelligence. Although robots are designed to make human tasks easier, he predicted that they would eventually become so powerful that they would build other robots, leading to a scenario where human control could be lost. Rising threat. Pointing to existing sophisticated AI systems like Israel's Iron Dome, Hawking emphasized that robots could surpass human intelligence and capabilities, posing a significant threat. Potential robot dominance. He foresaw a future where robots could potentially control humanity. He believed that the continuous enhancement of robotic intelligence could make them superior to humans in many aspects, ultimately leading to a perilous balance of power between humans and their creations. Human nature and nuclear threats. Innate violence and war. Hawking recognized violence as an intrinsic part of human nature, evident in numerous conflicts, including the Russia-Ukraine war. He was particularly concerned about weapons of mass destruction, which possess the capability to annihilate humanity in an instant. Historical precedent. Recalling the devastating impact of the atomic bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki during World War II, Hawking emphasized the grave consequences of nuclear warfare. Nuclear war prediction. He predicted that if humanity fails to learn peaceful coexistence, a nuclear war could ensue, marking the end of civilization. Global warming and environmental devastation. The dangers of global warming. Among his most dire predictions was the impact of global warming. Hawking stressed that even if humanity managed to avoid other calamities, environmental degradation posed a significant threat to human survival. Overpopulation and resource depletion. He warned that the increasing population and excessive use of fossil fuels would lead to disastrous consequences, making Earth inhospitable. A future resembling Venus. Hawking painted a stark picture of the future, predicting that in 600 years, Earth could resemble Venus. He foresaw an average temperature of 250 degrees Celsius, sulfuric acid rain instead of water, and blistering hot winds reaching speeds of up to 360 kilometers per hour. Such conditions would make human life impossible, extending Earth's lifespan. Reflecting on his own defiance of a grim prognosis, Hawking implied that just as he extended his own life, humanity could prolong Earth's habitability. He advocated for planting trees and taking proactive measures to mitigate environmental damage. The legacy of Stephen Hawking. Despite his dire predictions, Hawking's life and work continue to inspire hope and action. His warnings serve as a stark reminder of the challenges we face and the urgent need for collective efforts to address them. His commitment to understanding and improving the world endured till his last breath, leaving an indelible mark on humanity. Stephen Hawking's contributions to science are immeasurable, and his warnings about the future of humanity are too critical to ignore. As we reflect on his legacy, it is essential to heed his advice and take proactive steps to protect our planet and ourselves. By learning from his insights and predictions, we can strive to ensure a sustainable and thriving future for generations to come.